Okay, so now that we got the bulkheads, I mean the glass on the tank drilled out, let me go ahead and show you. That's a 3/4 inch hole for the return. And then right over here is the 1 inch hole for the drain. And then up here is my overflow box. Let's see if I can grab it real quick. So this is my overflow box. I'm going to get this siliconed on right here into the back, and it'll be centered. And what will happen is inside this will be roughly the drain right in the center, and it'll skim off this. It'll drain down into the sump of the tank, and then it'll come back up and flow through the return line, which will have like a lock line, what you guys see in the aquariums. So I'm really happy that I got those done tonight, and now I just gotta see what I did where I put my bulkheads. So I had them in a baggie. I'm gonna have to look around the house to see where they're at. As soon as I get them, I'll fit them onto the tank, and of course, we'll get video of that. This way you guys can see the bulkheads go on, and I'll go ahead and start mapping out the plumbing on what I'm going to do. Right now, here are my, sorry, it's got some of the sand on there, the putty from drilling the holes, but these are my tubes that I'm going to be using. I ordered them from Bulk Reef Supply, and they are 1 inch purple, and I got like 2 of these, and then 3/4 inch purple as well. Sorry, it's a mess over here. Like I said, we've been building and doing this area, and then on the other side behind me is the rest of the basement that we're going to turn into a big theater area. Couch, big TV, nice hangout area. Enjoy the tank. So these are, again, the PVC pipes that I'm going to be using. I'm going to use white fittings, white unions, and everything like that. So when the plumbing's on the back of the tank, it'll look really cool. Instead of just white PVC pipe or someone painting over the PVC, it'll look really cool. And back in here, if you can kind of see, you'll see I have the green buckets. Those are 55-gallon buckets. That is going to be the start of my mixing station. I have 2 of them back there. And we'll be doing a full video on hooking up the RODI system, plumbing those buckets, and starting the water on the fresh water and the saltwater mix and getting that going. That'll be coming up. I'm still kind of behind. I got to get definitely the little box here on the bulkheads, and then start getting the plumbing done. I do have my trigger system here. It's the Trigger Crystal Series. It's just like the Ruby. It's a 36. It's the Crystal 36 sump. It's upstairs, still in the box. I'm going to do a review. I haven't unboxed it yet because I'm still looking to do the review on it, open it, and unbox it for you guys. So when I do that, I'll open it up and show you guys, and I'm really excited to open it too. It's just, I can only do so many videos at once. I don't want to do 20 million videos and at a short period of time. So I'm taking my time, getting it going, and like I said, it's going to be a really sweet build. And if you guys are building out there, please comment. Let me know what you guys are building, how far you're going, how far you are in your build. And if you got a YouTube channel, I'd like to look at it. I'd like to subscribe. So let me check it out. Like I said, we all learn together, no matter where we're at in our saltwater, no matter where we're at in our saltwater learning, you can always learn more. So there it is. Got the holes done. I'm super excited. And I'm going to go ahead and get this up for you guys to watch. So tune in. Please subscribe. I'm definitely trying to get some subscribers. I have a huge announcement that I'm going to be doing. I don't want to do it yet because I'm not far along with the build. But I have a huge surprise I'm looking to do, and I hope you guys love it. And I hope you guys have already, you know, I get a bunch of subscribers and a bunch of people watching for when I do the review, because it's going to be something that in the saltwater YouTube videos that hasn't been done yet. And it's going to be a journey on, it's going to be a journey on doing it and seeing it done. So I don't want to go into details yet, and I know that sounds very vague, but that's just the most I can tell you right now. And like I said, I hope it interests you. But what I will say is I don't want to let the cat out of the bag just yet. But there's going to be a big surprise on the YouTube channel of something coming up when this tank is up and running and functional and ready to go. So again, I'll keep you tuned in on that secret. Don't want to let the cat out of the bag yet, but when it's out, it's going to be big. It's going to be awesome. I hope it's amazing. I hope you guys love it. So I'll get to that later. But thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to go ahead and get this video uploaded for you right now.